Wow, we're on the way to one of my new jobs. We're gonna be doing some milk and toast. Join us for breakfast. No, it's not breakfast. Milk and Toast by PERGO Extreme. It's their newest vinyl flooring. I'm such a lucky person because it's Christmas almost every day of the year for me. So it was a surprise when I walk into my job. Let's see what we got today. Let's see what they left us. Hopefully it's good. Is it everything we wanted? Wow. Not really too fancy of a box for PERGO. You sure this stuff is PERGO, man? Come on, where's PERGO with the white boxes? It's PERGO Extreme. Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today, it's time for breakfast with PERGO. It's milk and toast time. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. So all jokes aside, we really are installing a floor called Milk and Toast, and it is by PERGO, and it is extreme vinyl flooring. It's the first time installing this product. I'm excited. I love the name. Hopefully it'll be easy because we have 3,500 feet of it. Oh yeah. So we're talking 3,500 feet of vinyl flooring will be installed in this house, right over the top of tile. And in the bedrooms, we have floated the floor so it can just flow directly through the doorway without the need of a transition strip. Did we raise the whole room? No. We just raised and leveled through the doorways, and I think it looks really, really good. We come in through the entry here into a huge, huge, huge family room. We come through here, we have a mud room, not a laundry room. This would be the laundry room. We're gonna call this the mud room, which leads out to the garage. I always wondered what a mud room is. Maybe this is it, I don't know. Could this be another bedroom? No, I don't think so, because the garage is there. This has to be a mud room. Through here we have a set of bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom in between. It looks like the leveling came out really, really, really good. I don't even think I have to scrape it. Kind of outdid myself. I should also note that the bedroom on the left here is going to be installed in a new core. The color is white high gloss. Interesting. Very creative name there for that color. That's going in this room. It's going to be the little girl's room, and she'll be getting the new core. As we come through here, we have the back area of the house with our kitchen. Cabinets were already done. They have left the toe kicks off. I know it looks like there's toe kicks on, but there is actually a skin that still goes over that, and that's just what supports the skin. So there is toe kicks going on, so we're going to lay the floor right up to the front of them without having to put quarter bound in this kitchen. Through here we have a family room, Florida room, whatever you want to call this room, and this leads us to the main bedroom. Here as well, we flowed the floor through the doorway. No need for a transition there. And we have a good size master bedroom. So that's it though. This is going to be an interesting install because it's my first time working with this PERGO product, and I'm excited. Be sure you tune in to see the videos on this installation. You won't be disappointed. We're going to do everything from an installation video to a product review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.